students. So to the tribute to Latamangeshkar, we'll have a 1 minute silent prayer.
Did you know who passed away yesterday?
Yeah, it is a heartbreaking news that Latamangeshkar has passed away yesterday. Do you know who is she?
Yeah, Latamangeshkar was an Indian playback singer and one of the most influential singers in India. What were her contributions to our nation?
Her contribution to industrial music industry in her career spanning 7 decades gained her such titles as Nightingale of India, Queen of Melody, Voice of Millennium.
On her birthday in 2021, there was a question that what message would she like to give to her fans?
She would like to give the message that think as an Indian, not as a Hindu, Muslim or a Christian or a Parsi. What is message she would like to give?
Our land is filled with cultural and philosophical knowledge. From Ramakrishna Paramhasan to Swami Vivekananda, it is truly learned and knowledgeable thinkers. What were the awards given to her?
The awards were Padma Bhushan in 1969, Padma Vibhushan in 1999 and Bharat Ratna in 2001.
She will live in our hearts through her music. Let us take a moment to pause and honor Latamangeshkar for her contribution to our nation.
Thank you.